guys.
What's up today? Today we'll be reviewing our Lego vending machines we've built. Before you ask what the heck this weird nodding guy is, he's James, who is one of my best friends, and he's got a YouTube channel on YouTube called James Gay Gaming Vlogs. Link will be in the description.
So hi guys, I'm James. This is my house, and this is the vending machine I built. It's got like, you know, this glass thing where you can actually see the chocolate bar, and this manager can step up here and open this thing. When you want the thing, you can open it up here and find the candy. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in another video. But first,
Oh hi. Like and subscribe to my channel, link in the description.